Hello everyone, so today we are going to understand how to solve this kind of a problem. So here we have 8 raised to x plus 8 raised to x equals to 64. Now a lot of people think that this is supposed to be 8 raised to 2 and then they get stuck. Okay, so when you have something like this, we'll start with very basic. Let's take a 8 raised to x common and I'm left with what 1 plus 1 equals to 64. So this can be written as 8 raised to x into 2 equals to 64. Divide both sides by 2 because we are trying to find the value of x. So we are shifting all the numbers on the other side. So now I have 8 raised to x equals to 64. Now this is where, sorry, not 64, it becomes 32. Now this is where a lot of people get stuck. But remember, 8 raised to x can be written as 2 raised to 3 the whole raised to x equals to 2 raised to 5. Now in indices, a raised to m the whole raised to n can be written as a raised to m into n. So this can be written as 2 raised to 3x equals to 2 raised to 5. Now since the bases are same, I can say 3x equals to, I can directly equate the indices. In order to find the value of x, we will divide both sides by 3. So value of x is 5 by 3, or I can say 1, 2 by 3, or I can say 1.66. Okay, so either ways, all three values are absolutely correct for this particular value of, or for this particular question. So I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.